Hi, this is a tutorial of the Seesharp ePoster software. Double-click to open the software. The ePosters connected to the same network with the computer will show up in the device list. Click the ePoster icon. The device information will show up on the right side. Click the button to change the name. Drag the slide bar to change the brightness. To change the internal media program, select a program from the drop-down list. Click the button after the program list to add new program. Click Add New. Input a name. Select target device, width, and height. Then click the plus button to add a picture or video. Repeat the procedure to add more pictures or videos that will be rotating while playing. Select the program and click OK. The program will be uploaded to the device. The network settings display the network type and IP address. Show more details network information by click Details button. To change the network setting, click the Modify button. Select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi hotspot to use the ePoster as a Wi-Fi hotspot or local area network. Click Advanced Settings. The gray block represents the picture. By dragging and moving the gray block, the picture will be shifted on the device. This is only valid when the picture is bigger than the device. By clicking the left or right arrow button, the picture will be shifted one device wide each time. Click Test Mode. The device will enter solid color test mode. We can change the device color temperature by drag and move the slide bar. The device date and time can be changed in the button section. We can restore the device to factory default status. After reset, however, the programs saved on the computer are still available. We can select any of them to upload. You can control brightness or load programs to multiple ePosters with the group function. Select your target devices. Click Group. Then the group is created. Click the group icon. All devices under this group will show up on the right side. You can change the brightness of all ePosters in this group. You can switch program re-upload or add new program just like previously instructed there. You can dismiss the group by clicking on Group. By connecting multiple ePosters together, we can make a bigger screen. We call it Cascade. To cascade the ePosters, first you need to connect the ePosters with HDMI cables. You have two ways to set up the cascade mode in the software. The first way is to set up the ePosters one by one, from left to right. For the first ePoster, click Advanced Settings. Make sure the horizontal offset is set to 0. For the second ePoster, make sure Prioritize HDMI input is checked. Click Advanced Settings. Set the horizontal offset to 1 device wide, which is 288 pixels. For the third one, make sure Prioritize HDMI input is checked. Click Advanced Settings. Set the horizontal offset to 2 device wide, which is 576 pixels. Now, the 3 ePosters made a 3 times wide screen. But we have an even more advanced way to do it, which is Cascade Wizard. Hold on the Control key, select the devices you want to cascade. Click Cascade. The wizard will give you a prompt to connect HDMI cables. If you have already done so, click Next. The ePoster will display its name and serial number on the screen. The wizard also has icons representing the ePosters on the dialog. Drag the icons to match their relative physical position. Click Next. The numbers 1, 2, 3 should be shown on the posters when done correctly. Click Finish. The wizard created a cascade group. Click the cascade group. The information shown up on the right side. Drag the slide bar to adjust brightness for all the ePosters in the group. Select Programs in the list to change the program. To dismiss the cascade group, click the Dismiss button. All the ePosters will be restored to the original status.